Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick unboxing with this Leyi case that I picked up on Amazon for $6 for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. This is my old case. I really like it, but as you can see, it's kind of dirty, so I wanted to get something new, so I'm going to go ahead and toss this one to the side and unbox this bad boy right here. So, all right, let's go ahead and see how to open this thing. All right, so just slide it out. There we go. And here's the case. It's black. This is $6 on Amazon. And I believe this one also comes with tempered glass screen protectors. And that's always a bonus to get a case that comes with a screen protector. Now the problem is, be careful with this one because they're tight in there, so you don't want to crack them while you pull it out. So I'm pretty sure that happens a lot. See how careful you have to be to pull these screen protectors out of here. So, all right, let's go ahead and put this case on here and see how it fits. All right, so the case, slap it on. Yeah, nice. It's very nice. Very nice. All the buttons seem, let's see, the buttons seem to click well. Up and down, volume's good. All right, that's good. So yeah, the case is nice. So this is a nice case. It's got a rubber texture to it, soft, so it feels good in your hands. Now I can go ahead and actually install the screen protector, but the reason that I don't want to do that is because I believe that this one still has some life into it, although it is a little cracked up here. So we can go ahead and put the screen protector on if we want to, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what the screen protector is like. So this is a good screen protector. As you can see, it has the hole right here. So when you put it on the phone, it's actually going to cover it's going to have the opening for the camera lens. Some of them don't have that. I actually like that feature. So let's go ahead and might as well just put on the screen protector. So let's go ahead and take the case off first and take the old one off. See, I'm very impulsive, man. At first I wasn't going to do this, but now that I see how many cracks this one actually does have, I'm going to toss that to the side and get some wet wipes over here. All right, we got the wet. This is the green wipes. I don't know how they color code that. I don't even know why they do it, but anyways, let's go ahead and wipe this down here with the wet wipe. Make sure everything is nice and clean. All right, and then get the dry wipe. Now if you guys don't have these, you guys can use any other kind of cloth. It doesn't matter. All right, so all right, clean that down. All right, and then make sure you look through it that there's no specks. There's nothing left. So you want to do that on a black screen. So make sure it's a dark black screen. A lot of times you should just probably turn the phone off when you install the screen protector, but anyways, we're not going to do that. So let's go ahead and pull this out and peel this off. See, now you kind of want to turn it on because you want to see where the hole is. And the hole is right here. So you just kind of want to put that right over there and then just kind of let it drop without pressing down, and then eventually it'll just sort of just fill in. Look at that. See, this one's actually really good. You see that? You see this case? It's actually really, I mean, this screen protector, it's actually really good. No bubbles. Some of them have poor quality and you get bubbles on it right away. So this is actually one time and it's pretty much on there. So that was an easy install, guys. A lot of times I struggle with these things. So let's go ahead and pop this back in. Make sure that everything fits right. Sometimes when you put the screen protector on, it doesn't fit perfectly. So, but I can tell you that this one fits excellent. So that's the one. All right, guys. So this is it. This is the Leyi case for the Pixel 9 Pro. I'll put it down. I'll put the link down in the description. So if you guys want to buy this case, you can check it out on Amazon, $6. You know, I could have got another color. It was like extra couple of dollars, but I like to save money. You know, I'm not really crazy. It doesn't matter to me as long as the case works. You know, so why am I going to pay an extra $2-3 just for a different color? Anyways, guys, hope you guys like this case. If you do, you know, leave a comment down below. Until next time, see you then, and take care.